Looking for cutting-edge tools to upgrade your projects and boost your skills? At Tools Tech, we bring you the latest innovations and expertly chosen selections tailored to your needs.
Check out this little rover light, guys, from Milwaukee. It basically magnets on the top, magnets on the back, has two high and low. There's your low, and it's powered by two AA batteries. How cool is that? One question is why do they never make that like shiny? I'm sure if you made that background shiny, it would help, right? Or at least it would give the appearance that it would help. I think this thing was under $30 at Home Depot, guys. It's very cool. The magnets work really well, rather well. It's just something cool. I bought it to throw in my truck. It came with like a free pen light or something. Pretty cool.
I know I've showed this on the channel before, probably a couple of times, but this little Ryobi USB power cutter is just so easy to use and so handy to have. These are those blister packs, especially the Milwaukee ones. They are really, really rigid around the edges, a pain in the tail to get into. And this thing, so you have a safety switch right here, push the button, power on, and it just cuts right through. It's only 50 bucks, comes with the battery, and you can charge it with a USB Type-C charger right there. And you can see you can also push the button to check whether it's charged or not. This is only 50 bucks for the tool and the battery and the charging cable. Great for Christmas.
a nice cut. Make a cut.
The Craftsman USB power source and inflator is kind of a self-contained little system here. I'm going to power this up, and we see it's on, and let's go ahead and get this off. And we can set the inflator to PSI, or I can hold this down and change it to bar, or change it to KPA, or even to kilograms per cubic centimeter, whatever, I don't know, whatever that means, or squared centimeter, whatever that is. Anyway, we can change it from typical PSI or to bar, and we can also program this all the way up to 150 PSI. There's also pre-programmed settings in here for basketball or inflatables, to cars and trucks, to scooters, to bicycles. And then here on the back of the unit, we have the rubber tip or plastic tip for inflatables. We have the needle for inflatable balls. And then we even have a Presta valve adapter for those bicycles. Let's go ahead and program this for 90 PSI and pump up my bicycle tire back here. And you can see it's completely flat. Just gonna power it on. And it's gonna automatically stop when it gets to 90. And here on the top of the unit, we have a USB Type-C charging port, as well as a USB Type-A output. So on those GoPro days, we can charge our GoPro with no problem, or your cell phone, or whatever it is you need to charge. There's also a port at the bottom where you can actually power with your car's cigarette lighter adapter as well. And the great part about this, it's only 30 bucks right now at Lowe's.